land where the cotton fields cling to everything. I'm headed south on a broken wing to the headless city rising. There's a downpour, a rising flood of flowers blooming in my blood. I may have slipped and slept a while in the mud, but not anymore. A burning sparrow pierced my heart, a flaming arrow, a fiery dart. And love is a fierce, perfect art no one can master. Behold the diamond in my hand. You can't see it, but I can. It's not necessary to understand, only to believe. I rolled up in my rotten yacht to rediscover the long-forgotten plot, but the cemetery gates were locked, as I hoped they would be. I spent the night on Barrack Street. A swarm of fairies swam around my feet, and I dreamed about a love so sweet not even we could deny. Lay me down where the lizards sleep and the daughters run still and deep, where the waters start to weep with gratitude and joy. Happiness comes to those who wait until it seems like it's way too late. I can't understand or overstate this paradox of life. Take me, baby, by the invisible hand of an unseen force through an imaginary land. I haven't seen these streets since time began, if indeed I've ever seen them at all. Loving ravens follow me from town to town and tree to tree. They provide for and protect me from the spirits of destruction. My church is in the trees with the broken birds and the burning bees. Your sycophantic prophecies exhaust my heart and mind. again.